Here we go.
I thought she was on one.
I thought she was on
Jasmine.
Jasmine is a song.
I see.
She's just right here. Here we go. Pythagorean Theorem.
Oh, I mean Maria.
She's on the
But she's right. Oh. I forgot.
What is that?
You look cute. What is that?
Oh, you
Shot
know,
that
I'm
yesterday.
gonna ask the question
Yeah,
again.
my mom threw the powder in her face.
Did that hurt?
Did you?
Yeah,
Remember
you
your
were in my
papers, right?
Because why she throw it? She just randomly threw it at you, like while you were like.
We were standing there waiting and she like tossed it and it like went like. And then even when the powder was gone, you put the black light on my face and you still see it.
Okay, I'm confused. Hold on. What is that say? The arm? The Orion?
Theorem?
Wait, last time we took notes was 21 through 23, right?
I don't know, did I take that many pages?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay.
Oh,
And then
I did.
So it's from the
Sure.
so that's 25 and that's 27.
Yeah.
Okay. So I was like, oh, I missed something.
No.
No, it's 25.
No, it's not.
25 and that's 27.
I got
So they use the pages.
I'm on 25.
Okay. Oh look, there was 23. Oh look, there was 25.
Oh, yeah, I wouldn't take
Oh
it.
look, we're on 27.
Wait a minute.
Whatever.
Alright, today's 22nd. The month is almost over.
Thank God.
Oh, yeah.
I just want spring break already.
Spring break already. You know, funny story really quick, even though I'm recording, Miss Huber said to me yesterday, she goes, 5 weeks till spring break, and I go, no, 6. She goes, no, 5. I go, no, 6. And then Miss Bright goes, I think it's 6. And Miss Huber goes, 1, 2, 3, 4. It's 5. I go, spring break's not that week, it's the week after. It's April, first week of April. She goes, darn it!
She's already probably planning her trip and everything.
She was so sad.
Oh, she must not like it.
No, she
No,
don't
we
like
have
it.
to.
I think her kids might be off a different week. I don't know. So that's probably why.
Is it true that next year we're gonna have like
district?
no?
No.
We
We
should
don't
have the new
usually send our
calendar
kids
next
to
year.
these things.
You're not allowed to?
We are, but we usually do.
Okay, be quiet. What was I gonna say? Dang, I already forgot what I was gonna say.
There's like 3 weeks for Christmas break.
Oh yeah, next year, right, huh?
Yes.
And then is it 2 weeks for spring break?
No.
Oh.
Wait, so do we still have?
Okay, so the reason why it's 3 weeks for Christmas break is because some of you guys don't know that we stay in school until the 23rd and y'all decided to leave. So we lost too much money. So what that means is we get 3 weeks at spring break. 3 weeks, that's it. Don't take any more.
Spring break?
I mean Christmas. That's it. Don't take any more. 3 weeks.
So we don't get this week.
So we still get the February break, we still get spring break, we still get Thanksgiving. So you're getting 6 weeks off during the school year. You're welcome. The problem is you go 1 week longer in summer.
Ah,
Fall.
oh, you
So
want
instead of getting that June 2nd, you get out a whole week
Oh, but
later.
then you have summer school, so it's like.
So now your summer shortened.
Oh, what?
Wait, hold up, pause, wait, why do
I
we lose
think
money?
that.
Because when kids don't come, every time a kid doesn't come to school, we lose money on that kid.
Really?
Yes, that's why you get fined for not coming to school.
Oh my goodness.
Let's just say, I don't remember what the money is, but let's just say it's $40 for each kid. So we get paid for you to come to school. That's how schools run. It's called ADA. And when you don't come to school, we lose the money. So when everyone decided to go to vacation early, we lost them for 5 days. Plus, let's just say there's a kid in high school, there's a kid in middle school, there's a kid in elementary school. That's 3 kids times 5 days times $40. That's a lot. And that's just one family. You see what I'm saying? So we get 3 weeks at Christmas. The other part about 3 weeks at Christmas means now your semester does not end at Christmas.
Oh no, we got
It ends in January, which means you'll probably have homework over Christmas break.
Oh, last year?
Yeah, okay. And so, how about? No.
That's not that bad because you have 3 weeks to do it.
Nobody's gonna do it.
Nobody's doing it.
Bro, I had a
You
week
have
to
to
do
will.
it.
You have to have the will to do things, guys. Like
No.
if you're lazy, then you're not gonna do it.
That's just you then, because I don't do anything.
Probably right. And I don't know.
When I'm on vacation, I do everything to the last day.
No. So what that means in my brain is now because Christmas break is usually 2 weeks of no grading.
Aw, Resendez, I'm sorry.
Yeah. My goal is to have everything graded before.
Last year, didn't some seniors go to the beach?
I don't know. I don't really have seniors, so I never really know.
That's basic. I wouldn't go to the beach. I'd do something fun. Let's go to Mexico.
Go to Chuck E. Cheese.
Let's go to Mexico, guys.
For a lot of
Chuck E.
people,
Cheese
slides
actually
don't
sounds like
work.
a pretty good idea.
My mom said if I get good grades for spring break, I can go to Cabo.
There's a napkin.
Cabo.
Yeah.
Alright, how do I use the Pythagorean theorem to find the missing side of a right triangle? Or to prove a right triangle. So let's get to these notes really quick.
Wait, is that say a right triangle?
Yes. I will not write out the word triangle. We will draw the simple triangle from here on out. You should have learned that last year in IM1.
Yeah, no.
You should have learned, let's just say we should have learned that in IM1. So here, I will not write out the word triangle, I will draw the symbol for the triangle. Okay? I'm kind of doubting your perspective.
I had an easy teacher.
I've heard different things because my friend has. I've heard different things. My friend gets all of us here, so.
Yeah, I know some practice.
Nah, she's not kidding. The
Not
other
a
day they
nice
busted a
word.
bunch of kids with they
They're
busted
sixth
7
grade, they're
graders.
pulling blanks.
Pythagorean theorem is c squared equals a squared plus b squared.
She's recording.
Oh, he's there, I know it's you.
No, you're the one that said that.
A right triangle. Remember symbol for triangle now, here on out. A right triangle, what makes it a right triangle? You learned this last year. It has a 90-degree angle, good. And that symbol at the end is just what? Angle. I will not write the word angle in. This is the way your book uses it. But yeah, the same thing. Alright, let's talk about a right triangle. So here's a picture, here's a right angle. Always across from the right angle is the letter C. We have letter A, letter B. A and B really don't matter. I just like to put B on the bottom because it makes sense to my brain. But A and B do not matter. What matters the most is C. C is across from the right angle, always across from the right angle. Always, always, always across from the right angle, never touching the right angle. Do you understand? Okay. Your C is called the hypotenuse. A and B are both called a leg. Make sense? Alright, choose a formula. The first part of the formula is to to find the missing side. So I'm going to tell you it's a right triangle, we need to find the missing side. Easy enough? Alright, let's see. Alright, so here's our triangle. Always, 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 always find C first. So which one is letter C? 5. What do you want to call A? Yeah. And B will be X. Does A and B matter? Alright, so right with the formula, which is C squared equals A squared plus B squared. What's your C?
5.
So 5 squared equals 3 squared plus X squared. What is 5 squared? 25. What's 3 squared? Plus X squared. Now what? What are you solving for? X squared, so what do we do? Okay, so what do we get? 16? equals x squared. And then now what? Square root it. Where x equals, well, it's really 4 and negative 4? Yeah. Why can my answer not be negative? Yeah, you can't have negative one. Every time you take a square root, you have two answers, yes? Positive and negative? Yes? Okay, we're just talking about it. You can't have a negative side, so we don't really care about the negative 4, we only care about the positive 4. Yes? Okay. First semester. Okay, example B, here we go. Six, 4, and x. Go ahead and try it by yourself. Turn to someone when you have an answer.
What the?
I'll just go like a last
Okay, ready? Yeah. Okay, let's do this. So, we're gonna write c squared equals a squared plus b squared. Which one did you call letter C? X. Make sure it's X. A is which one? 4. Sure, 4. B is what? 6. Good. Alright, so we get x squared equals 4 squared plus 6 squared? Yeah. What is 4 squared? Plus? 36. So 16 and 36 is how much? Good. Square what? Root both sides? And x equals what? 2 radical what? 13. Or approximately what? 7.21. Depending what the question asks determines how you give your answers, yes? If it says simplify radical, that's this one. If it says that you need to have a decimal or round, then it's this one. Yeah? Radical is this one. So simplified radical or decimal depending on what it's asking. Okay, so Pythagorean theorem can be used one of two ways. First way is to find the missing side. Do we find missing side? Yes. Second way is to prove you actually have a right triangle. So in order to prove you have a right triangle, you're still going to use Pythagorean theorem, but it's going to look a little different. Ready? It's called the converse. You might have a little bit in. Oh, I will also not write out the word Pythagorean or theorem anymore. There we go. Alright, Pythagorean theorem, the converse. It's to prove you have a right triangle. Maybe you do, maybe you don't. But we need to prove that it's a right triangle. Got it? So, here's our example. So for the first one, we're going to say 97, 65, and 72 are my sides. Now, I just gave you numbers and I want to know, is this a right triangle? So the first thing you're going to do is still determine which one. C. Why do you care about C?
But it would be the biggest one.
Oh, it's the hypotenuse. I forgot to tell you. I read it last year. The hypotenuse is the longest side. Your hypotenuse is always the longest side. Okay? So when you're looking here, that's why C matters, because C is going to be which one? 97. Now, which one do you want to call it N? Sure, why not? NB? Go ahead and plug it into the formula.
I found one of because when I went to Vegas, she left to go I don't know where, and there's like a store right next to our hotel. So I always go buy a bunch of food, and she didn't ask.
She's not home something.
No, they would eat like protein shakes and stuff.
Did she even go to the gym? I don't get it.
Like protein milk?
Yeah, and then she had like this Herbalife or whatever, and she had exactly like the tea.
I just do. That's for breakfast. I'm like, nope,
No,
no.
I love that.
You have a? I had overnight oats.
I am. I lost like 5 pounds.
Bye.
I ate, looks good. It was good. Oh, it's your quarter. Oh, thank you later.
That's good.
Overnight oats.
Wow,
Snapchat.
you're so hip. Oh my god, I don't even want to snap that.
Overnight oats.
She lives in her block. How would you look at that?
Honestly, I do. Like, the only thing that's so convenient to me is like this one.
Oh yeah, I would see her.
Overnight oats, they're just oatmeal on sweetened almond milk. I put peanut butter, powder, and a banana. But I eat it 3 hours ago and I'm doing it. Alright, ready? Alright, C squared equals A squared plus B squared. We plug in, what do we plug in for C? 97 squared equals 65 squared plus 72 squared. Wonderful, we put calculators for. 97 squared is what? 9,409. 65 squared. Good. Plus what? Good. Adam, you get 9409 equals. Wonderful. It works. So guess what you have? Guess the right.
When I see RT, I think of root beef.
Okay. Next one. You're going to do 80, 40, and 89. 80, 40, and 89. and C? Okay? C? Does A and B matter? Do A and B matter?
No, they do
Come
not.
on.
They're both like.
The only one that matters is what?
They're making my team.
Life is over. Alright, here we go. C is what? 7,000? Good. A was 40 squared and B was 80 squared, yeah? So what's 40 squared? 1,600. What's 80 squared? 6,400. What's that added together? 8,000?
Yeah.
Are they equal?
No.
Mind, do the equal sign and tell me what?
Not.
How about not a right turn?
Right. I'm actually like retweet. That's the only thing I'm gonna remember.
Not a right turn.
Please don't just remind me
Are we good? Does this make sense? Okay. Now, what's gonna happen right now is this. I'm gonna do a problem on the board. It's part of your homework. So you're gonna get out, I'm gonna give you a few minutes to write your summary. Then I'm gonna have you get out a sheet of paper, fold it in the box, okay? And I'll pass out your homework and talk about it instead. But for now, that's what you're doing. Here's your summary.